The Rain-X Deep Cleaning Windshield Kit is designed to deliver the deepest windshield cleaning achieved using clay bar technology. The kit includes 3 components: the glass cleaning clay bar, the Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel, and Rain-X Original Treatment. This video is intended to demonstrate correct application of the Rain-X Deep Cleaning Windshield Kit. Step 1. Rinse the windshield to remove any loose dirt or debris. Step 2. Remove the glass cleaning clay bar from its package and shape the clay bar. Pour a generous amount of Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel onto the clay bar. You can also pour the Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel directly onto the windshield. Step 3. Rub the clay bar over a section of the windshield 5 to 6 passes or until roughness is removed. Check the condition of the glass cleaning clay bar and reshape if dirty before moving to the next section. Apply more Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel as needed to ensure smooth sliding of the clay bar. Be careful not to drop the clay bar on the ground. Discard if this happens. An average windshield cleaning will require about half of the bottle of the Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel. Step 4. Once Step 3 is completed, you will likely notice a residue left on the windshield. The residue can be removed with a clean microfiber or cotton cloth, but it is okay if some residue or streaking remains. It will be removed during the next step. Step 5. Finish with the Rain-X Original Treatment application. Spray the treatment directly onto a clean microfiber or cotton cloth. Apply using a firm, circular motion. Once the Rain-X Original Treatment application dries, you may notice a slight haze. Remove the final haze with a clean microfiber or cotton cloth. Or, to help remove the slight haze created during the Rain-X Original Treatment application, pour a small amount of Rain-X Deep Cleaning Lubricant Gel directly onto the hazed windshield and wipe away with a clean microfiber cloth until the windshield is crystal clear. That's it, you're done. You have a crystal clear windshield treated with Rain-X Original Glass treatment to repel rain, sleet, and snow and dramatically improve your driving visibility. Thanks for using the Rain-X Deep Cleaning Windshield Kit.